been absolutely fantastic. From the moment I woke up and looked out the bedroom window to see a beautiful forest below, to walking through the various stalls, seeing the startups, it's been very clear that it's a hugely vibrant, exciting, and relevant summit. Honestly, the journey has been has been quicker and more successful than we ever could have known. So we're very grateful to our customers for permitting that growth. I think to answer how we navigated it and how we continue to navigate it, because it's a process that doesn't stop. We have to keep developing and delivering. We always focused on providing quality garments at affordable prices to a segment of the Indian population, female consumers predominantly, that had traditionally been disenfranchised from the latest UK and European fashion styles at affordable prices at good quality. So that was our goal. Obviously, I've mentioned how technology and AI plays a hugely important role in that journey and how we build the relationship via our app predominantly with our customers. And so we really myopically focused on that. So with regards to competition, as it were, well, firstly, this isn't a winner-takes-all market. There's plenty of room for excellent brands other than ours to do really well. So we don't really focus on competition. I mean, that completely detracts from and distracts from our focus on our customers. So, but I wish them the very best. So the Indian market is absolutely crucial for us, and on a number of levels, not only because we see the opportunity to make a huge impact for the customers that we offer the garments to. It's a culturally diverse and rich country in that regard. And so with those differences between regions and states and cities in tastes, we have a huge opportunity to address and a challenge to address and meet the expectations of that variety of desires. So India is absolutely crucial for us as a business, and we see a huge forward-looking opportunity in terms of the market. So we are very focused on India, on the customers in India, and on providing to them, premium, affordable premium, and relevant styles. So in terms of the revenues, I won't put an exact figure on it, but we do have a significant portion of our global revenues from India. Obviously, we're growing in Brazil and Mexico. India was our first market in 2019. I can happily say that the markets of Brazil and Mexico are experiencing the same rates of growth. So time will play a factor, obviously, in that forward-looking. But to date, India has been a significant portion of our revenues. Sure. Well, I think the first thing to note is that we don't have a sort of local distribution sort of plan, as it were. But what we will focus on going forward is obviously consolidating and building upon the success factors I think that we've had to date and how we can improve those. So working with influencers, having some more relevant competition. So we recently had a competition for young and talented designers to showcase their designs with the winner being printed on the Urbanic clothing. So more initiatives like that. We will also be having some pop-ups in a number of the cities in India, and really just focusing on engaging more and more in person as well as online with the consumer market in India. I think that really is the way we're going to play it. But as you know, we are an app, and a lot of the relationship that we build in terms of data, etc., and in order to understand what the customers want in terms of styles. That's facilitated by the app and by technology. But we also, we don't want to simply be app-based. We want to engage physically and with our customers, and that's an area of focus. That's not. I wouldn't say that, no. But equally, I wouldn't say that we will not ever go offline. We will always be online. But what I'm trying to say is that there may be examples of, as I said, we will have some pop-ups to really get into the heart of the communities and offer our customers and prospective customers the chance to really engage in real time with the brand. Forward-looking remains to be decided how we play the offline side. Yes, we have. The exact plans are still being decided upon, but I can say that we have earmarked $50 million of investment capital for the Indian market, and we will have our sort of final plans drawn up in the relatively near future. But it's an important sum for a very important country. Again, I don't want to speak without having the plan fully formulated, but it will be spent on improving the areas and supply chain, etc., that we have now, and some other areas that we're quite excited about. But again, I will unfortunately have to leave that for now.